In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook page to YouTube channel. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Facebook icon right on your channel banner and in your About section, making it easy for viewers to find and follow your page. First, open YouTube in a desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct channel. This process is best done on a computer because the settings are easier to access and clearly labeled. It also helps to have your Facebook page URL ready to paste. If you run a Facebook page, use that specific page URL, not a personal profile link. A proper page link typically looks like facebook.com followed by your page handle or page name, and it should include HTTPS at the start. Now, look to the top right of YouTube and click your profile picture. If you manage multiple channels, quickly confirm you're on the right one, then choose YouTube Studio. This opens your creator dashboard, where all channel settings live. In the left-hand menu, click Customization. You'll see sections for layout, branding, and basic info. Choose Basic Info. This area controls your channel name, description, and importantly, external links that appear on your banner and in the About tab. Scroll to the Links section and click the plus Add Link button. In the title field, type Facebook. Keeping the title simple and recognizable helps viewers instantly understand where the link goes. In the URL field, paste your Facebook page URL. Double-check that it's correct, includes HTTPS, and goes directly to your public page. If you've copied a link with extra tracking parameters, consider removing anything after the page handle to keep it clean and reliable. When you're done, click Publish or Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. Give it a moment, then visit your channel homepage. You should now see the Facebook icon on your channel banner, and the link will also appear in your About section. On mobile, the link may show beneath your channel description. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or try a different browser tab. Also, make sure your page is public and accessible. That's all there is to it. You've connected your Facebook page to your YouTube channel through the built-in link section, making it easier for your audience to engage with you across platforms. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.